Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. The ingredients that I'll be using today is this aloe vera leaf from my local grocery store, some honey found in my kitchen, and 100% pure coconut oil. Now I'll be using these ingredients together to create a DIY deep conditioner for my scalp and my hair. Now I've been getting some really bad itches on my scalp because of the eczema and the heat. So I'm creating this DIY conditioner to help me improve my hair health. So aloe vera gel is a soothing and calming agent used on the skin. And I'll be using this on my scalp especially because it improves scalp health, and also it strengthens your hair and adds back shine and health to dull, damaged hair. Now I'll be blending these ingredients together, so I'm just using this knife just to cut out as much of the gel as I can get. You can use the raw plant as so on your hair, but since I'll be using it, or mixing it rather, with other ingredients, I'll be blending them together. Now this is the aloe gel that I cut up. I cut up 2 pieces that you guys saw, and I'll be using coconut oil. You can use whichever oil you want, but I'm going to use coconut oil because I like it on my scalp to improve, like when I have dandruff or just really dry scalp. And I'm also using honey because it adds moisture to your hair. It's a really good moisturizing agent. So blending those ingredients together, as you guys saw, I use 1 teaspoon or tablespoon rather of honey and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with my 2 pieces of aloe gel. Now what you want to do that I did not do is strain this, because you're going to get chunks of aloe gel in your hair that will be so annoying to wash out. So you want to strain that before you actually put it in your application bottle. Now I'm just showing you guys how my hair is looking right now. If you're new to my channel, I have eczema on the scalp. I am on this journey of just continuing the improved health of my hair. I had a bald spot in the back of my head for a couple of years and it is no longer there, so I'm trying to make sure that I keep consistent with my hair health. So my hair is dry at the moment. It needs all the moisture it can get. I have really itchy scalp right now. I get really itchy in the summertime because of the heat and the eczema. And since I'm just frustrated, I don't have dandruff, but my scalp gets flaky sometimes. So I have a couple problem areas, and so this DIY deep conditioner I'm going to be using as a pre-poo, especially since I'm using raw ingredients like the aloe gel, and I know I'll need to wash this out properly. So I'm just showing you guys where I'll have a little flaking here and there, and that is where I have the itching on the left back side of my hair. So I'm doing my hair in 4 sections to make this easier to apply. I have an application bottle. As I said, you want to strain so that the aloe gel doesn't leave chunks in your hair. You want it to be liquidy and smooth as possible. So I'm going directly on my scalp first. So I'm gonna do my hair later, like the ends of my hair, but my main aim right now is my scalp. So I'm parting my hair in sections, as little as I can get it, and I'm just massaging the aloe in each section that I apply my little concussion. Is that what it's called? Concussion? My little mixture. So I'm applying it section by section. You guys are going to see that. And then I just use my fingertips to massage it in. And once I get all over my scalp, or as much as I can, then I'm going to redistribute what I have left, focusing especially on my hair ends, then working my way throughout my hair. So I'm just going to apply that as much as I can. I'm trying to go. And also, even though I use 2 pieces, it depends on your hair length, how big your head is, and different type of factors, especially if you want to put this literally all over your hair. If you're seeing really dry hair and your scalp is also a problem, you want to use more. You can use the whole leaf if you wish to. And so I'm just showing you guys how I'm working the product in my hair so that the products, or the ingredients rather, work evenly. So the honey especially, it will soothe, or smooth rather, my hair follicles, to improve the health of it, to prevent split ends, along with the aloe that will strengthen my hair. So I'm just going to leave you guys to see what I do as I apply it to the rest of my hair. Now that I've gotten the ingredients all over my hair and I did some twists, I detangle my hair. As I said, this is a pre-poo, and the reason why I'm using this as a pre-poo is because these are raw ingredients, and they're going to need some, my hair is going to need some cleansing after this. So I'm going to use a shower cap to put over my hair, which I'm going to leave on for about an hour. I did also use a heating cap over this so that the ingredients can actually penetrate my hair and my scalp. So this is how my hair is looking after. It's super soft. Remember, I haven't even washed my hair as yet. This will make wash day so much easier. It's gonna add an extra hour to wash day, but I don't do this all the time. I literally do this when I have really bad itches, or you can do this every 2 weeks. So my hair is super soft. My scalp feels so much better, and as you guys can see, coils be popping. Then I'm going to be using cleansing shampoo to rinse out my hair, then some conditioner that I'm going to leave on for 10 minutes, and then the following week I'm going to be doing a deep conditioner. I didn't want to do the deep conditioner right after this because I didn't want ingredients and product overload. So I did this before I did a protective style, and this is the protective style that I did. You guys can make sure that you have your notifications on to see when I post this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.